spinning. We are here, just pulled up to the lake. It's a banger of a day out here, so nice. My truck was saying 4 degrees, there's no wind, blue skies. I'm so pumped. Just gonna walk down now. There's the old girl. It's gonna walk down now and take a look at the on-ramp. Like I said, I'd like to take a look to make sure it's not too crazy, but this time of year, and especially that other lake that was 38 inches thick of ice, I don't think it was an issue. So here, let's have a look. No problem. Let's head out there. Well, I know I said I didn't want to use a hand auger again and not see one for a very long time, but here we are the following week. We're gonna give it a crack. Apparently this lake, the ice is only 28 inches thick, so I've lost 10 inches from the last one. So that's great. That's a blessing to my ears. Okay, changed my mind already. I do not want a hand auger at all. So a neighbor has come to the rescue and I'm borrowing his gas-powered one. He's not sure, or it's not even gas, but he's unsure if he has enough power, enough juice left. So even if we can get halfway down and go from there with the hand grinder, but blessing in disguise right here, baby.
Where do you want it?
Just probably, yeah, anywhere really. Dude, sweet.
Is it?
That's it? Oh, that's the juice?
Yeah, battery easily.
Come on, baby. One more hole. Oh, it's close. Come on.
I won't say.
It's deep, eh? It's thick. Yoo-hoo! Yoo! Heck yeah! We have a hole, people. Let's do it! Okay, guys, I'm absolutely blown away. That was Renee, the neighbor. He just drove his truck over here, helped me drill a new hole, a 10-inch hole. Amazing. It was down to the last little bit of juice before it punched through. Didn't matter. Even if it went down 5 inches, I would have been happy and I'll just hand grind the rest. That was 5 inches less. But it went all the way through. We were just talking, Renee and I, just shooting the can, getting to know each other. And then the dude, how amazing he is, he goes, hey, I'm heading out for the evening to go to play hockey, coach hockey. Why don't you use my shack while I'm gone? I'm like, come on, guys. This is what it's all about. The fishing community is amazing. We're all here for each other, offering helping hands. You just got to go and meet new people, ask for help if you need it. But I'm just blown away by the generosity of Renee. Thank you if you're watching. I appreciate it. I'm just in like, oh, this day just can't get any better. It's sweet. The sky's clear. We're out here. His shack is all the way on the other side of the lake. So while I'm here and he's drilled this hole, we're gonna throw down the fish finder, do a little bit of jigging, see if we can get a fish. And then we're gonna venture over there. He's got beds, he's got couch, he's got seats, he's got the underwater camera. So I'm just pumped. The guy is so generous. He's like, use my rods, use my bait. I'm like, come on, guys. This is it. Get out, experience. Let's do this. I have the lure I was using last week for the burbot that I got a couple nibbles on, so I'll take that off. Today we're going after pike, and so we'll put on a jig head. One of those. There you have it. Let's get going. I'm about 6 inches off the bottom. The tip apparently is less movement. Last week we were bouncing pretty hard, so maybe that's why I've been doing no good. We're gonna get one today, people. I feel it. Come on. I haven't changed yet because eventually we're gonna go into Renee's shack there. I don't want to be getting all my snow gear on. It's so warm and nice outside anyways, I don't need it right now. Left the other hole. I didn't get into anything. Just a little perch. I tried a small presentation, little fishtail of a minnow, but no bites. Nobody was home. Even I switched to mono to try that out, but nothing. So I'm at Renee's now. I'm gonna go in there, give it a go. It's 5:45, so it's coming up to prime time, pike time. So let's get after it. It's got a temperature gauge on the side saying inside it is 25 degrees. It is warm and toasty and comfy in here. Look at this setup. Got the hole. He was just here, so I don't have to re-drill it. If I can open this. Oh, there we go. Got the hole. Throw down the depth sounder. Let's get fishing. This is a fantastic setup. I love that I have my own slippers along with me. I'm just cozy, just blessed, feeling great, just soaking in this whole experience. I talked to my buddy on the phone and we're just like, how does this keep happening? All these situations that arise, these amazing times, and it's what you'll keep finding out when you continue watching, is that there's always something new. Even though we go out and looks like it's doing the same thing, there's always a new adventure and something happens and you just roll with the punches and have a great time. All right, let's I just got off the phone with my brother. Big supporter. He's always been encouraging me to get out and do this, you guys. So you watching this is mostly because of my brother there. It's great. You need it. You need encouragement. You need to also encourage other people in your life. And look what happens. Things happened. Start being positive towards people. No more negativity all the time. And see where life takes you. I got another fish coming in right now, guys. It's just right on this mark here, which is about 6 inches off the ground. And Renee said, just leave. He's like, just leave it. Don't jig it. The fish will take it. But this is hard. Like, the fish came and now it's gone again. So you don't know. I don't know if that was like a walleye and this minnow is just way too big for it, which may be the case. But yeah, I need a pike coming by and giving me a bite. So if you're out there too and you're struggling catching fish, well, here we are. We're in it together. I'm really hoping that I get one tonight though. I feel it. It's getting close. We've had the bites, we've had the nibs, the taps. Just need a commitment. Yep. That's me. That's me. Okay, I'm just heading out of the shack now. The sun's going down. I need to go and get into my camping spot and get set up and some shots for you guys to see. Was in the shack, fantastic. Saw the fish coming up. They were giving me sniffs, but no love taps today. We're gonna call it a day. We're gonna come back tomorrow and see if we can't get into any more. Well, any at all. We'll call this home for the night. Sweet. This is the hand auger that I didn't have to use today, which is a huge blessing. I just was not ready to do that all over again. So my cot comes down nice and compact. You can get this bad boy from Cabela's, $100. All right, let's get her up and in. Any snow? Not really. Oh yeah, this is much better standing out here to load it up instead of hopping in the back end to load it. That is smarter. I was about to go and get a new sleeping bag because Sports Check here, it's getting near the end of the winter season, and so they got some not good deals on, but then I realized, well, it's getting near the end of the winter season, so if I was okay in here with no insulation in -17 last week with this +15 rated sleeping bag, well then if the weather's warming up, I don't really need the other sleeping bag. So I don't know, should I get it and just maybe not use the buddy heater as much and have a nicer sleeping bag? That will probably be a better call actually. Nice. Can hear some dogs in the neighboring area. Being close to these lakes, some people have some sweet properties that back on close to it. So maybe barking at something. I've seen some big tracks out here. Looks like giant moose. That would be amazing to see. Maybe in the morning, early morning, if we can see some moose or some deer. Even where I put the camera just now is on deer tracks. So they're in this area. Maybe the dogs see something now. Okay, I've got a gourmet meal. I cannot wait to show you guys. It's gonna be awesome. There's my plate. There's my egg. Get the stove. A little preparation. So, I've got my pan here. And now, let's show you my food. We have Drum roll. Can of tuna. Bag of carrots. Bag of peppers. And some crackers. Oh, guys, I was in such a rush to get out here today that I could not go to the grocery store. The plan was to go to the grocery store, get a lot of ingredients, cook you guys up an awesome meal, myself an awesome meal. Remember last video I said, okay, having a hot meal is a must. Well, today we're having tuna, cheese, and crackers. Oh, where's my cheese? Tuna, cheese, and crackers. It was so bad, you guys. I love cheese, crackers, and pickles. It was so bad, I didn't even have a full pickle left in the jar. I had 3/4 of a pickle. The top was like manglized, so I cut it at home. So this is it tonight, guys. But it'll do. The tuna, great little protein. Everything's great. It's just not warm. And that's what I like to have, a warm belly going to bed. Here's my half a pickle. There we go. We've got fire. All right. I'll just eat it out of the pan. Probably the best way to do it. All right. Such a nice night out. The stars are just everywhere up there. So nice to just pause and reflect. Especially just to think about the day you just had. And just meeting awesome people today and just taking it all in. Just to slow down, breathe. Let tomorrow, worry about tomorrow and just be in the moment. Guys, we're inside now. It was so nice to be under the stars, just looking up in the trees, having a great time. But it's time to close down the hatches. Oh, I gotta figure out something better for this, to lift this up. Okie dokie, well that was interesting. Really excited about the outcome of this day, guys. Yeah, hope you enjoyed watching. We're gonna head out. I'm texting the guys, they're unsure if they're able to come out just because of it's a Friday tomorrow and they have things to do, but hopefully they can. Otherwise, they told me the tricks. They're saying, hey, listen, don't give up, you're so close, we can do it. Head a little shallower tomorrow in the morning, and one of those pike will be cruising by looking for some minnows, and we're gonna have that bait sitting there ready to go. But it's been great, absolute blast today. Appreciate you guys checking in, and I'll catch you in the morning tomorrow. See ya. Oh man, I forgot butter for the pan, so this probably is not going to turn out good, you guys, but we're gonna give her a crack. No pun intended, but I'll take it. Just eyeball it. See how it goes. If you need more, add more, but you can take away. Take a look at these backside, these eggs. I don't know, man. It ain't my crispy eggs like I had last week. These are like a soggy biscuit. Who knows about this? Let's throw this on the ice. That definitely was not as clean as last week, but it'll do. Oh, my frozen, oh, sick. My frozen milk. Chunky soup, baby. Yow! Oh yeah, that's just lovely. Just reminds me of it being off. Guys, this breakfast is a 2 out of 10 today. I apologize. We'll get after it next week. All right, let's attempt to eat this thing. Oh, look at that. Just not the greatest, you guys. Not the greatest at all. The poorest eggs I've seen in my life. It's great. Oh yeah. Beautiful. I don't know if that dog, I don't know if you can hear the dog. I assume you can. But it sounds really far away. So I have no idea what it's barking at. Maybe it's seeing animals. Maybe it's smelling my burnt, soggy at the same time eggs. But who knows? He's having a good time barking over there. Oh boy. Not as bad as hotel eggs, but guys, we're borderline. We're almost there. They just found out what the dogs are barking at. It sounded like a coyote. That one. Coyote. There you go. There's a little. Now this place is lining up with doggies. The coyotes smelt the burnt eggs. They want to feast. Oh! No, did you see that? We finally had a hit, guys. It went for it. No! We finally had a hit, and I missed it. Here comes my buddy, Steve. Amazing guy. He's on his way. Oh my goodness. We just had a hit, guys. All right, everybody. This is Steve, the man of the hour. What do you say today? We're coming down and you're going to show me how to catch some fish?
I don't know about that. Let's see if the fish want to bite.
He just went turbo mode on that handle. Holy. A lot faster than me. Down goes the bait. Oh! There's that tap. Oh! Oh, man! Yeah! Finally! Oh! Freaking finally! Let's go! There's fish. Oh my goodness. He's coming up backwards. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, I did it, everybody. Yes. Oh, that feels good. Man, oh man. Take a look. I did it. Got him. Oh. Let's get the release going. Oh, thank you, fishy. We're done, people. Monkey is off the back. We just needed Steve to show up. Woo! Oh. No, you got it. Okay, you guys, I left my rod. I said, I don't feel good about leaving the rod here. And sure enough, it's not mine either. It's Renee's. That would not have been good. Steve is on, folks.
Ooh, might have some size to it.
Oh, baby. Nice.
Oh, he swallowed that.
Oh, boy.
You want to grab that hook with your fingers if you can? I'll hold his mouth open. Otherwise, he chomps.
Oh.
I have needle nose
Pliers.
too in my...
I got. There you have it, folks. The good old pike. Good work. I got a little blood.
There you go.
Get that fist bump. Good work, man. Okay, guys, what an amazing trip we just had. Thanks so much for coming along with me there. Lots of new adventures happening. I just loved what this one offered with just meeting these new guys and just their generosity. It's just an incredible bunch of people. But yeah, we got into a fish. I got into a pike finally. I'm so pumped on that. It just gives you confidence because I was like, what am I doing wrong? And it turns out it's just nothing. It's just the way fishing goes. So this lake right now, it may be turning over. The water's pretty dirty and mucky, so that might have something to do with while it's slower, because apparently it's a little more picked up and uppity. But yeah, can't complain, guys. Thanks so much for checking out the channel. If you liked what you saw and you're at the end of the video now, I'd love it, appreciate it if you clicked like and you subscribed for more. That just helps me out, keeps me going, get me going out here and doing what we love to do. Until next time, guys, see you on the other side.